Okay guys, this is the Washington, Spokane Valley windstorm aftermath. There's trees that have fallen over everywhere around the whole area of Terrace View Park, Spokane Valley, Washington. It's about 6 or 7 trees that fell. Let's go ahead and take a look at this stump. A friend over here decided to get in a nice deep pit. Does it go down there?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Down there on top, roots. Holy moly. That's what's underneath of the tree. If you kids want into science. Woo! Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm gonna go back to the playground to show the camera what happened to the playground area. Gotta grab my scooter real quick. Alright, let's head over there. It's right there, it's the big one right straight ahead where the swings are. Again, this is Terrace View swimming pool. You can find it under there, or just Terrace View Park, Spokane Valley, Washington. This is the other stump. This one's pretty cool because you can walk on it. It's got like a flat. I'm gonna go ahead and walk on it. Leads all the way to the broken playground area. Ooh, I slipped off right there. Ooh, almost ate crap right there. There's where the tree broke. There's everything else. Where are you going? The other side? You're crazy, man. I ain't going any farther than that crap. Ooh. Sketchy tree, bro. Really sketchy, I'll tell you that. Ooh. So yeah, we've experienced 70-mile-per-hour winds that did this. I don't understand how a 70-mile-per-hour wind could cause like a ton of weight, legitimately a ton, 2,000 pounds of tree to fall down. And including the roots underneath it. That's pretty crazy, huh, Nick? There's one more over there. I'm not gonna go get that one. Anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe to Dub360 PK and BMX. I'm probably going to change it, but you'll see this video here. Thank you guys.